Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danelle. This is just some short clips of what I recorded the other day because it was snowing and it was Tyson's first time seeing the snow, and I thought I would share it with you guys, and a little bit of how we live in an apartment with the puppy. Yeah, so the clip you saw just now, the dark clip, was about 4 a.m. in the morning, and that's kind of our routine. 4 a.m. in the morning, I take him out, he does his thing, then I put him back to sleep, and about 7:30, 8 o'clock, he gets his breakfast, and then we do a little bit of play and training like what you're seeing here, and yeah. Down. Down. So I'm not a professional, I have no prior knowledge to training a dog, but I saw this trick on YouTube and I decided to try it with Tyson, and in the first go Tyson was already obeying the command. So I just want to keep this up with him. This training I want to keep up with him because he constantly takes our shoes, so I want to teach him to leave our shoes alone and teach him the command, leave it. So that's basically what we're practicing in this clip. Okay. Good boy. Okay, this is not good. So the technique is simple. I give him his toy. His toy is what he's allowed to play with. He plays with that. I give him a treat for it. I put the shoe that he's not supposed to play with, and I tell him to leave it. When he leaves it, I give him a treat. So it's quite simple, and I'm happy that he's understanding it. And you know, this has been recorded a few days ago, and for the past few days he still takes our shoes, but when I say leave it, he drops it, or you know, yeah, so he's learning.
Good boy, Tyson. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right. Finish. Release. Good boy, Tyson. Good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy.
So now it's Tyson lunchtime and he's going crazy. All right, Tyson, hold on. Wait. Come. He knows exactly where to go because I feed him in the crate. Come. Okay, Tyson. Go in. Okay, and what's there? This is pee-pee break number 3, and it was snowing heavier than it was in the morning, and so I took him for a little walk because I felt sorry for him. He was inside a lot. Good boy, you deserve a treat. So it's almost 4:30. And so this is what Mr. Tyson is up to. Tyson, what are you doing? I usually don't disturb him so much. I leave him to just enjoy his thing, but yeah, because I make a video. All right, and that's the 4:30 snack, or 4 o'clock snack, huh, Tyson? That's your 4 o'clock snack, and he'll just chew on that until he's done or bored, and then I'll take him out to go to the toilet. This is pee-pee break number 4, and it's not the last one for the night or for the evening. All right, so this happens inside sometimes. He peed here. Yeah, so he's still not fully trained for peeing outside. almost, but not quite. Alright, so whenever these accidents, pee accident happens, I keep a bucket with water with soap and a little bit of bleach, bucket of water and a mop to wipe the floor, to wipe it. So yeah, that's what I do when the accident, pee accidents inside happen. I tried the pee pads, but it doesn't work. Yeah, so I'm just cleaning up the pee. I know some people might be thinking, why are you not wearing gloves? I wash my hands with soap after. And this is lovely Tyson hanging out in the sofa. This has been happening since yesterday. He just gets whatever he's playing with and jump up in the sofa. I don't mind. We purposely bought this sofa so he could go in there, but that will bring me another challenge, because when we go to visit people, he will want to jump in their sofa, so I have to teach him not to do that. But I don't mind him jumping in this one. Yeah, so we just came back from outside. I forgot to film that. We just came back from outside for a walk. We went for a walk and poo break. He did it, but he didn't pee. I think this pee was before we went outside. The light was off, so I didn't see it. Yeah, but yeah, so it's going. So this is basically the end of our day. It's 8 o'clock. We're watching Die Hard. And look who is between us. You can't see because he's dark. But Tyson is in the middle on the sofa, doing what he does best, chewing something. He's not chewing something, he's not sitting quietly. Yeah. And that's it, guys. That's how I spend most of the day with Tyson. Yeah. Cheers. Thanks for watching.